How to draw an isometric vase. First setting your canvas. Create a new layer. No need to set it to drawing axis and start to draw an oval. Resize it a little bit and set it to the center. After that, you can draw the base of the vase. And next, I'm drawing the vase neck. And then I'm drawing the top of the vase where you put the flower in. Okay, please create a new layer for each piece of the vase, so it will be easy for adjusting your layer. After you finish all the parts of the vase, you can merge all the layers. For decorate in the room, so I put the flower. You can put any flower, you can draw easier one. Okay, it's done.